How can you find any job that you dream of using LinkedIn? I'm gonna show you the way in order to get more opportunities for the dream job that you want to search for using LinkedIn. And we're gonna do it using something called Boolean search. Boolean search is some kind of a mechanism when we're writing our search in order to be more filtered, in order to be more focused, in order to get the jobs that we are looking for. Let's take this as an example here. Let's say you're a software developer who's working with backend using Python. That's the dream job that you're looking for, and you want to work fully remote. You don't really want to work anywhere hybrid. You don't really want to relocate. You just want a remote job for Python as a backend developer. So some keywords that you need to specify first. What you're gonna be working for. You're gonna be working with Python. This is some kind of keywords that you need to specify. Well, you can also include the backend, but it doesn't really is necessary. Like it's an option to have it in order to be more specified, but you don't really have it. So the main point is we need to include our words that we are searching for through quotation here. So the keyword that we have is Python. It's in the middle between two quotations, and we have the logical operation that we have. The logical operation is and, is or. We have also not. We have also more logical operation, but mostly I'm gonna be using those ones. So what happened now? We're gonna be working with Python and backend, and we want a single keyword between all of those criteria. You can include any type of keywords depending on your imagination or what you're looking for. Let's take it as an example here right now. What happens if I copy it and paste it here? And let's see, we have 38 opportunities using our search here. This search that I have taken, we have 38 opportunities. This is basically due to the fact that we have almost any time, and this is not what I want. I want to be more specific. I want to have past 24 hours. Did you have seen that we have dropped down to just one? This one result is the most important result that you can think of, because it's past 24 hours. This is like recent. This is a new job. This is 3 hours ago. This is what you're kind of the first people to apply for jobs like this, and this is why it's kind of important in order to make it past 24 hours. What we even better is that if we just remove this EMEA, and by the way, E is for Europe, ME is for Middle East. Let me just hover it here. This is the Middle East, and last A is for Asia. I don't really want to search for this one. I want to search for worldwide. I want everything in this planet. So we have only one result in this, unfortunately, even though we're using worldwide. Let's be more specific now. We want to mid senior, we want to be associate, we want to be entry level. Those are the three criteria that we're gonna be looking for. You can add whatever you want. If you're executive, add it if you want to. Let's say that's what we're searching for. Do you want to be on-site, remotely, or hybrid? Of course, we're searching for remote, so supposedly we should expect remote. And we need now to set alert. This alert is gonna give you email every single day for the past 24 hours jobs. This is the most important. This is a crucial point. Why? Because it gives you recent jobs that you can apply for based on the search criteria that you have added. And this is basically up to whatever imagination that you can think of. If you want relocation, you can have a different kind of a way of Boolean search that you can include. See, let's say you don't really want remotely, you want to have relocation, so you can add some kind of relocation. You can be, let's say, sponsorship, like this word that you gonna be needing. Maybe you can also include like two keywords like visa sponsorship, not just sponsorship. So let's say kind of let's put this or at the end, because we kind of want the visa sponsorship to be more important than the sponsorship. So let's kind of take all this and let's say paste it here. Search. We have no jobs in past 24. Let's say past week is not available, past month, anytime. This search criteria is bad. So what happened now? We need to make it even better. So this search is not really working for us. So I'm thinking right now, maybe the backend is not included here. Maybe the Django is included. I don't really know. So let's try it. If it's gonna be working fine or not. Django is not included, past 24, past months, anytime. Okay, this is not included, so maybe there is something wrong with our search. Let's remove this. Let's take it and paste it again. Let's see. There is no jobs. Nope, we have find some jobs, which is amazing. This is actually better. So what kind of jobs is available? So basically it's software engineer, it's Python, it's relocation. Okay, so this is also a relocation opportunities. So all of those are the opportunities that we have for the past week. So now we need to be more focused. So I need it to be in past 24 hours, but since it's showing 0, I wouldn't really be able to set alert. So I need to try this mechanism multiple times in order to make sure that I had at least one job here in the past 24 hours. So you need to make your own search showing one result so you can set alert. And when you set alert, maybe also this is due to the fact that we're using remote, by the way. This actually makes sense, yeah, because we're relocating. So I have made this kind of filtration a bit bad since we're gonna be working with relocation. So let me fix it by adding back in now and see if it's gonna be working. Great, so now we have found 2 opportunities. Let's see, past 24 hours, is it available? Nice, it's available. So past 24 hours, it's available for with relocation. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set alert, and now I have 2 alarms, one for remote and one for relocation, and I'm getting opportunities to apply to whatever I'm searching for. This is how you can search for jobs that you dream of in LinkedIn.